Do you want to know how you can sign up for Winston AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for your Winston AI. So go ahead and search for Winston AI sign up on your browser and click on the first link which says registered. Now you can log into your account using your email address, your Facebook or your Google account. Let's choose the simplest one. Let's go ahead and click on Google and then select our email address. Now click continue to sign in to Winston AI, and after a while you can notice that you have now signed up for Winston AI and you can use the AI image detection and you can start new scans, integrations, and you can also start new projects. So guys, this is how you sign up for Winston AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.